I was uncomfortable in my skin. My blood pressure was high, my weight was high. I was so overwhelmed that I actually came to the program just weeping. I was given the opportunity to work with a coach from Teladoc, and it changed my life, literally. My coach's name is Chana. I have never met her, but have talked to her for the past 3 years. That calm, caring spirit just immediately came through. You may have questions. You think of diabetes, you think of high blood pressure like myself, or obesity, and all these words that they throw out, and you feel like there's no hope. But I can tell you that there is hope. There is a path, there is help. You don't have to do this alone. You will find your Chana, you will find your partner, you will find someone who can walk with you through this health journey. Chana!
Oh my God! It is so good to me.
Oh God! Thank you for everything. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Thank you. I am honored to meet you.
Yeah.